Hi everybody, I'm Miss Jen from Children's Services. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your very own miniature book. Super easy. The supplies that you need, there's going to be a piece of paper. I would recommend using either copy paper or construction paper for this. You will also need some scissors and some markers. Alright, let's get started. You're going to take your paper and fold it in half. Make sure you give it some really nice tight squeezes here. Once that's folded in half, you're going to fold it in half again. Okay, so now you see your paper is in quarters like this. So fold that in half, and you're going to fold it in half down this way. Really tight. Okay, so this is where it might get a little bit tricky. You might need some help from a grown-up. You're going to have your paper like this. This is the open side on here, and this is the side with the fold. You're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut along this fold right here, only until you get to this fold. All right, so I'll show you how that's going to look. Just like that, so you can see how you have only part of it folded. All right, let's open it all the way back up like this. Now you're going to fold it down this way. Crease both sides like this. You can see you've got it like a little accordion. Let's push it all together like this, and then you're going to fold it all onto each other. And that's it. So you have your little book like this. You can draw however you want. I'll show you some of the ones I did. I have a colored book. Each page is a different color. You could also take it and make a letter book. So each book would be a letter, and on each page there's something that starts with that letter. Or just have fun with it. Draw whatever you want. Make up your own story. Draw your own pictures. Print out pictures and glue them on here however you want to. It's your project to have fun with it. All right, thank you so much. Have a great day.